In front of me is OPPO A40 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Following that, to create a new one, use this plus and set up an hour. Then select one of those repeat options. Ring once, work days, you can adjust each one, or custom. If you selected custom, pick days of the week over here. Then scroll down to tap on alarm name, label your alarm however you want to, and click on this check mark at the bottom right corner. Then select ringtone. Tap on one of those system themes, like for example weather, or select on this device and pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it and going back. Then use this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm and tap on snooze. Now you can enable or disable snooze at the top. And in order to adjust it, click on those two options. Select how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back and tap on done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and hit done. And finally, to delete it, hold it and tap on delete button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!